Hello everyone. Today I'm going to install a Provent catch can for this Prado 150. It has a 2.8 liter engine. I'm going to install it just right there. I'm going to remove this OEM bracket and replace this bracket with the provided bracket and install the Provent catch can right there. So this is the filter kit I received. It's from Western Filters and it's a MANN filter. So this is the catch can itself, and I also have some hose clamps and then cable ties and also a drain hose and a tap and also two hoses and bolts and washers, and this is the bracket itself. Okay, now I'm going to prepare the filter. So I need to adjust the bracket here. So it has to adjust from here to this side, the inlet and outlet facing this way. To adjust, you need to remove this tab and then turn it, and then you can lock it again. Once you're happy with the position, you can lock the tab again to hold it in the position. Now I need to attach the drain hose. I will use a hose clamp to tighten it up. Now it's ready to install. Okay, now I'm going to remove this OEM bracket and install the provided bracket with the kit. And remove the bracket and install the Okay, so it's installed, but not sure if I can take the air filter out with the bracket. I think I can. That's fine. So one thing I notice when I'm going to install, like if I install it like this bracket has to be on the last track here. So otherwise this bit here, this round bit here, going to touch the intake hose here. So I adjusted that one to the last track here, and let's try this. Try to install now. This is the breathe hose. We need to install our catch can between the two ends of this hose. But before that, we need to bend this OEM bracket upward. I try to do it, but it's installed to the rocker cover, which is plastic. I'm worrying that if I try too hard, it will break. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this bracket completely and then try to do it on the bench. It's installed with a 10mm bolt, so I will remove it first. After taking the bracket off, I decided to use 2 pliers and it worked. I installed the bracket back, and now it's time to undo the breather hose. This is the L-shaped hose provided with the kit. I tried to install it to the bottom outlet, and then I try to connect the hose, but it's not quite right. It's touching few places like coolant tank and the hoses. So what I ended up with is shortening the hose a little bit, like about 10 millimeters. Okay, now I cut this hose short, and now I will add some hose clamps. Now I need to figure out what's the best position for this outlet hose. So I think the L bend has to be like 45 degrees upwards. So I think that way the outlet hose won't touch any other hoses or electrical wires. If it does, we will have to secure them with the cable ties. So I have connected the outlet to the hose coming from the intake manifold, and then I'm going to connect now the top inlet here to the crankcase outlet. Okay, finally I have installed the catch can. So this is the top hose which is connected to the outlet of the rocker cover, and it's going to the catch can inlet, and then there's the catch can outlet down there. I have installed the hose and the L bin which is provided with the kit, and then this is the OEM hose which is going down to the intake. It's originally connected from the rocker cover outlet here, just directly to the intake. I have connected this drain hose at the bottom of the catch can and feed it through the engine bay. As you can see, I have secured with 2 cable ties so it doesn't touch any moving parts. As you can see, now I secured everything with the cable ties. Now I left only one thing to do, which is installing the valve at the end of the this drain hose. The drain hose came down from here, and I'm hoping to install the tap just down there. So I have installed the tap down the drain hose, and I have put a cable tie here to secure the hose. So I might change it later on, like with more secure method, but for now this will work. And now the installation is complete. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will answer as soon as possible. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please show your support and subscribe to our channel. See you on next video. Thank you.